Hello, hello, we're here in the Tholeite and there's a little hole in the ground, probably made by man, and here we have a little wall, a protective wall, and there's wine in here. So of course we are interested in the rocks and the outcrop here. So here we see some stratigraphy of the Tholeite eruption with the Hoi Hoi lava flow. So I'm standing on top of the lava flow here, and there we can look into the belly of the lava flow. This is where we're here, but it's very nice to see that wine is grown here. And you see the wines are actually growing laterally. They're not growing upwards because the wind is so strong. And then there is a little bit of timber and rock in order to kind of stabilize the growth, so that they're not growing on the soil itself, that they're not lying flat, but they're a little bit up, because otherwise there is, I'm told, there is all sorts of insects and other kind of microorganisms that will get onto the wine. So this is why they're trying to keep it a little bit off the ground, and yet again not too much, so that it's wind sheltered, and this seems to be a very good place for it. So here, bringing geology and agriculture together in a very refined and elegant way. And if I just swing around here, we have huge amounts of these walls that are artificially made, and here's another hole, by the way, in the foreground. In the rear we have these artificial walls here, and they are used to protect small plants. This is the Lageria method, as it's called after the region Lageria here, and this is lapilli as a substrate, lapilli mixed with soil and these protective walls to allow the plants to grow despite the heat and the wind, which is two main factors that are problematic for the plants. So here people have innovatively found a way to circumvent these natural setbacks there. And over there we have a nice little volcanic cone, and there is two farmers here working in the field. You can just about see them here. Let me zoom in a little. So they're working the fields there, and this is extensive agriculture now, growing a lot of crops now, including of course wine, but also potatoes and dates and figs and that kind of thing. Okay, thank you very much, all the very best, and I close with a little look into our kind of hole in the ground just in front of us. Okay, bye bye, all the best.